And talking about awful human beings and good human beings also, this shopping for a good cause is exactly what Rani Mukherjee did today, as she did her bit for the betterment of the girl child. And guess who she decided to take along for the trip? Well, us, of course. Here's a sneak peek.
An initiative like this for you to sort of be out to support it, like what is it you sort of like about this effort?
You know, I think what is the best part is that they are basically doing this so that the second generation prostitutes, like the children, don't follow the same thing, and it's for their education, for the children. So I think it's a great cause, and it's great that these ladies have come together and they're doing something for this cause and to support it.
Now it becomes difficult for you actually to come to a space like this because people are somewhat excited, to put it mildly, to see you.
No, I think it's nice because, you get to see stuff which is not normally, you won't get these things in showrooms, and they especially come out during this time just for this exhibition. So I think that's special.
What's fun is, again, there's sort of traditional stuff, but it's also being done to sort of access the modern sensibility.
Right, absolutely. But I think it's great because if you, I think you walked with me all this while, and every store has been spectacular.
Yeah. How are you managing to resist not grabbing up the bucketfuls as you?
If I actually start shopping,
there's no end.
I think you'll run away because I'll be here till tomorrow morning.
Tuba.com